Hello friend, welcome to ehiddenbrain.com. Today we'll see a question on NFA, and the question says that construct NFA that accepts strings of A's and B's where fifth symbol from right hand side is A. Okay, so this is the question. Now let's try to answer this. Again, I hope no need to draw a language, but still let's have a language. What is the language? Says that fifth symbol from right hand side means this can be the valid string. Yes, because fifth symbol from right hand side is A, and then you can have something like this. Yes, quite valid. So again, it's an infinite language. Now what is my main concern? See, in NFA you tackle the main concerns, right? You don't have to worry about how many states and then on each state where to go for A and B. My main concern is the fifth symbol from the right hand side must be A. So what I will do is I will draw 6 states. You can see this. I will draw 6 states. So this will be the starting state. Then this will be the second, third, fourth, fifth, and this will be the 6th state, which is the final state. I can see. Okay. Now you can see this. Let's have it. Let's name those S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. Now you might be worried why I draw 6 states, because it's a 5 length string, and to accept 5 length string definitely 6 states are required, and that's why I have 6 states with me. Now my job is to, you can see this, from right hand side means from this side the fifth symbol should be A, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This should be definitely A, others I am not worried about. Right? Now one more thing, can I put a loop of AB here? If you put a loop of AB here, that will be a problematic, because then you will be able to accept something like this. You can see this. If I put a loop of AB here, then you may be able to accept AB, B, A, B, B. You can see that fifth symbol from the right hand side can be B if you put a loop of AB here. How you can see this? A, then B will be accepted, then B will be accepted, then A will be accepted, then B will be accepted, and now if you put a loop of it, then this B also will be accepted, and that's why I don't put a loop of B, and no date state is also required because it's an NFA. Now one more thing, if I really want something like this, is it a valid string? Yes, it is valid, because from fifth symbol from right hand side is A, right? And now how to make that possible, how to accept these two B's, rather two B's then A's and something like this? You have to put a loop of EB here. Simple, right? Set. Now you can see this is the final NFA, and you can see the difference for DFA. How many states could have been required for this problem? 2 raised to 5, means around 32 states are required for DFA. And for NFA, how many states we required? We required only 6 states. Okay, and that's why DFA construction is very simple, right? And we will really use this technique for drawing the difficult DFAs also. If DFA is very difficult, what I will do is I will try to draw NFA first, and then I will convert the NFA to DFA. Now the conversion of NFA to DFA is also possible. We will see in the next tutorial, right? If you like this video, please like it. Stay tuned to our channel. Please subscribe it for the further videos. And if you have any queries, any doubts, do comment into the comment section. I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you.